Okay. So,
Okay, so first things first, let's create your .csv files for the two different lists, both marine and RV, for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Let's create those files outside of MailChimp first, and then we'll upload them.
okay. So, I go back to my files.
Well, let's go back to your notepad first.
Okay.
Okay, so what's going to be the name of your smaller files first? So you'll have new marine list, dash, and then a date.
I guess it would be the,
So
which one?
yeah, do the one for Wednesday first, yeah. And then copy and paste the same thing, but then put in RV list for the same dates. And then just change marine to RV. And then copy and paste those two lines and paste it again twice, and then change the dates for Thursday and then for Friday. Okay, cool. So now you're working efficiently here. You just gotta create the files, copy and paste your data, and you're good to go.
Yeah,
So why don't we do this? Let's work with just the marine lists first. So open up the large marine list.
oh,
And the way you'll remember is the large marine list is the one that starts with the dashes. Yep, that's it. So double click on that.
pretty long time opening up.
Yeah, because I think I think I'm still using Windows 2000, Microsoft 2010, and it looks like you're using the most updated version, so it has to interpret the old data.
Okay.
Okay. So Doug, do me a favor and save this file. Just save it, because otherwise it'll keep on asking you whether or not you want to edit. Okay, good. So now you scroll down to the last, well, to the new section where nothing's highlighted. Okay. So now put two lines in between. Yep. Okay. And now just choose however many you want. Select a row.
Do you use shift?
Yep. Shift and then just hit, scroll down as far as you want.
I'm at 353, so I'll go to 375.
Okay. So highlight that in a different color, and then just copy and paste. Okay, good. Now copy, Control C. Okay, now create a new file. File new. Okay, blank workbook, correct. And now, there you go, Control V. Just paste. There you go. Okay, now go back to the first row. What do you want to do?
I don't know. I was going to get rid of the color.
Oh, you know what? You see the top left 1A to the top left there, that little sideways triangle? Click on that. It'll select everything in the file. Yep. There you go. Now just go up to the top where your color coding is and just yep. No film. There you go. So now let's save this as a .csv. Now go back to your notepad file and get the name for the file.
Okay.
Just past the top, go up a little. There you go. Perfect. So now go back to your notepad file and get the right name. So this is your new marine list 920 copy. There you go. Control V. Perfect. Save. Okay, so now you can go ahead and delete all the columns you don't need, because you really only need the email. Okay, now insert the top row and name the headers. Okay, so save this as is.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, so good, you can close this down now. Okay, so let's repeat the process for the marine list for 921. So deselect what you have there. No, leave the main list open, because now we're just gonna select and copy the next batch of 20 or so.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Okay.
And then shift on the 375. I'll just go to 400. Okay, so I've got that.
So color coded something else.
I'm sorry.
Color code it so you know what you're using. There you go. Copy and paste.
Control C into new.
Control V. Yep. There you go. Remember, all you need is the email address, so you can strip everything else.
I should take out the color, right?
Yeah, that's fine.
So I only need the email address.
Yep. So delete everything else.
I thought we were using the company name.
You can, but I mean, it's not like it's pasted anywhere. You really don't need it.
Okay. So now I've got
So,
this.
so you know, put your header.
Okay, I gotta save it.
So now save it as the right name
I gotta go back over here. and get
to your
the right
notepad
name.
file, right?
This is the
Marine list 921.
right.
And remember, what's the file format you're saving this as?
CSV.
Okay. Yep, you're just there. Go down. There you go. Perfect.
So I've done that. So I gotta do.
Just close this out now. So just close this file. Okay, so now let's do it for Marine list 922, which is Friday.
You are a good teacher. Alright, so now I've got, should be able to go down to 425. And that is, I'm going to change the color to yellow. And then I'm going to copy this.
Right. Control C.
Control C. And then new.
Yep.
Control V. Insert row. Oh, I just want the easy.
Yeah.
I'll put that in there. Then I can take this.
Yeah. Training Doug. I'll be there in about 10 minutes. No, I'll take care of it.
Okay, so I gotta delete this.
Yep. Just, yep, there you go.
Then I gotta clear this.
Okay.
Okay,
And then now let's save it.
save it.
Okay.
Gotta find the name. Gotta change the CSV.
Okay.
So now I'm ready to close. So I have 3 ready.
So you have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday for the smaller Marine list to send out the message. Let's go ahead and let's start uploading these to MailChimp. And then what you can do is when we jump off this call, you just got to follow the same process for the RV lists.
Yeah.
Okay, so close out all your spreadsheets. Yeah, because you don't need to have them open. Just close them out. And make sure and save the large list so that you know exactly what you've already uploaded.
Okay, save.
Okay, good to go. Save all the small, close all the small ones. They should be saved already. Okay. Yep, close that out too. All right, so inside of MailChimp now we gotta upload those lists. To upload them, we need to create a list. So you're already there. Just click on Create List. Okay. Now the list name, you can use the exact same ones from there, exactly. Okay, from default email, it's usually doug@microair.net. And what you might want to do is write this down in the notepad file so you can just copy and paste it. So it's usually coming from doug@microair.net. Skip a couple lines. MIC. No hyphen.
Oh, yeah.
And it's usually named from microair.inc. Microair, comma, inc. There you go. And then you might want to just add a sentence, people who subscribe to our list, because you'll have to paste that in close down. Okay? So you should be ready to fill out these forms easily now.
Yeah. See?
Yep. Okay, let's import your subscribers. Look at the icon, there you go. Okay, you're selected, fine. Okay, find the file. Hit the browse, there you go. Okay, so what's the date we're looking at?
The 20th.
Okay, so there you go. Okay, next step.
Yeah, that's...
Okay, now we're going to match up the fields. So the information in blue, that's company name, so make a selection. Okay, new column name, there you go. Okay, now it's matching up company to company, so save. And now email address, that's fine, so save. Okay, good. Now let's move to the next step. Okay, so you're good to go. Hit the import button. Okay. That was easy, right?
It was very easy, thanks to you.
So let's go back and let's do the other two lists now, because this is done. This was done fine. So let's upload the other two lists.
So I gotta go to
Lists, exactly.
create list,
Yep.
create list,
Yep.
list name,
Perfect. Okay. Default email. Type in D. It should have it stored in there.
type in what?
Type in letter D in default email address. Sometimes it'll store the information you just put in there. There you go. Oh, shit. Wrong one. Just copy and paste it from your notepad file. I don't know why I didn't save the Doug at micro error.
Okay, that
Yep.
looks good.
Oh, yep.
Import,
Yep.
next,
Yep.
browse, 21,
Yep.
next,
Yep.
import,
Okay. Perfect.
like we got 23,
Yep. Perfect. So let's do the last one now.
last one. Create list, create list, list name, green list, okay,
Yep. Don't forget to put in who's the people who subscribe.
yep, got it. Looks good,
Yep.
save, import,
Yep.
next, upload file, browse, next, oh,
Uh-oh. So, I don't know why I did this. You know what? hit the back button on the bottom left. Bottom left, there you go, hit the back button. Okay, so let's minimize this and let's go look at your file. Your actual spreadsheet file and see what's going on there. Okay, so let's delete that column A. And let's delete column B through J or something like that. Just highlight that and then there you go. Delete all those columns. And now save. And now close. Okay. Okay, good. So it read that you only had one column and it assumes they're all emails, so let's go forward. Okay, so you see, 22 contacts were added. There's one email with syntax errors, it just removed it. So you're good.
Okay.
Okay, so now I gotta run, but go through the process of creating all of your RV lists for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and you know how to do that. And you can then just go ahead and upload them to MailChimp, so all you have to do is just do your sending of your campaigns each day.
Schedule it.
Yep, you can schedule them all now, or you can every day go in and do it. You've got a lot of flexibility. But for now, you have your RV list for Monday and Tuesday. You have your marine lists for Monday and Tuesday. You uploaded your marine list for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Now all you have to do is create your RV list for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, upload them to MailChimp, and then you can either schedule them today or do them as you need them.
I'll schedule it all day.
Okay. But do you feel like you have a good grasp of the process?
I think I've learned part 1, part 2, and part 3.
Okay, good.
Thank you.
Awesome. All right, so I'm going to stop the recording here. I'll render the file, I'll upload it to my YouTube page, and then send you the URL for further training if you need it.
All right, well, thank you so much.
All right, Doug, you have a great night, and I'll talk to you later.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.